Well, a wintry setting to kick off the first weekend of January. Hope your Friday is off to a good start this evening. It is going to be a chilly one, so bundle up for those dinner plans and evening activities. Overnight tonight, the wind chill may briefly dip down to the single digits, and we may still continue to see a couple of those snow flurries flying. 27, the current temperature reading. Winds are at 15 miles per hour, and it is going to be a cold weekend all across the board. Current temperature readings in the mid to upper 20s, and Doppler radar still does show you some blue, and that indicates light snow showers passing now from Lenawee towards Fulton and northwestern Lucas counties. Across the metro, there could be a brief minor dusting of snow, but overall travel impacts going to be fairly minimal. Towards the lake shore, there is some steadier lake effect snow ongoing in eastern Ohio, western Pennsylvania into western New York, and there are still lake effect snow warnings in effect stretching from Syracuse towards Buffalo, Cleveland, and Erie, Pennsylvania, and snow squalls have been ongoing in parts of the hills of Pennsylvania. Now, we have our eyes on a system that is going to impact central and southern Ohio. Winter storm watches extend south of Lima near Dayton towards the Ohio River, and that is the sweet spot of this storm system. These watches extend from Illinois and Missouri all the way back towards Ohio and West Virginia, and you may be wondering, will we see any local impacts? We're going to break down the hour-by-hour timeline, starting things off with the short term this evening. Light snow showers will be possible this evening. Any additional accumulations are going to be very light in nature with a coating to half an inch of snowfall. I think the biggest impacts out of Monday's system are going to be south with more of an Ohio Valley track. There is still some degree of uncertainty regarding computer model data. However, we're starting to hone in on more of a southerly track, and it's central Ohio to southern Ohio that has the best chance to see accumulations and travel impacts. This system is going to be moving through the lower Ohio Valley area. That swath of snow may extend up into central and perhaps even north central Ohio, just barely grazing our area. But overall, in terms of snow accumulations, this is not going to be our big winter storm that produces a decent snowfall. Coating to 1 inch is expected for the Toledo metro. Further south from Putnam and Hancock towards Wyandotte and Crawford counties, 1 to 2, and you'll notice those higher snowfall totals missing us far to the south. In the short term, we do have a chilly and breezy feeling weekend. Those wind chills going to be cold, and the 10-day forecast remains below average with cold temperatures extending through the middle of January, although we do rebound close to freezing by the end of the forecast. Dan?